Welcome to Tiny Bites. Here's your host, citizen scientist in neurology, neuroplasticity, and positive psychology, Sandy Weaver.
Are you waiting for that perfect person to come along and complete you? The person who will make your life worth living and be your partner and best friend for life? The romantic notion of that once-in-a-lifetime love is so pervasive in society, and yet it's as much a fairy tale as Cinderella or Jack and the Beanstalk. Love has to come from you before it can come to you. So if you want to feel love, just go ahead and decide to feel it. Feel love for your car, feel love for your pillow, feel love for your pets if you have any. Feel love for the woman struggling with her crying child in the cereal aisle of the grocery store. Really feel the love. Feel that love for yourself. Appreciate your body and whatever it does to support you through the day. Feel love for what you know and what you've done and what you've overcome to be the person that you are today. Feel love for the real, perfect person in your life, the one who completes you, celebrates your growth, makes your life worth living, and is your best friend for life. You. When you learn to love yourself as if you are the love of your life, love can't help but flow to you from others.
Subscribe to the podcast and share it with your friends. And there's lots more at centerforworkplacehappiness.com. Here's to your well-being, one tiny bite at a time.